Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today I'm making shrimp creamy pasta. So what I'm gonna do is I'm literally gonna break my pasta because I tried to put it in there like how they do it in the films and all of that, but nah, because my pasta just in the top just burns in the end. So I had to break it and put it down. I've also put some salt and some oil in the water. Please just keep making sure you're stirring it at the same time though, because that's why some of y'all pasta sticking together when you eat it. But anyways, we're gonna move on to the king prawns. They're already cooked, and I bought two different types. I bought one from Tesco and I bought one from Aldi. I don't know why, to be honest. Yeah, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it open and mix it all together. Just to let you guys know, this is already cooked. I didn't buy the one that wasn't cooked. If you do use the one that's not cooked, the only difference in making this would be you'd have to leave it on the heat for longer. That's it. And please make sure that when you're cooking this, you have it on low to medium heat, because I know you black people love to put everything to the highest, but not here. Not here, because it's already cooked. It's already cooked. So we don't got to do that. We do not have to do that. So please, medium heat to low heat. That way nothing burns and it doesn't end up mushy and burnt and mushy, because we don't want no one talking about you in the group chat. You know, we don't want no one to say this guy thought he could cook, but yeah, his food was bad. Anyways, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna get your seasoning, and I'm gonna have everything in the description box below. But I'm just adding some Cajun seasoning, some crushed red chilies, just a little bit, not too much, because don't forget everything is already salty. The pasta, the fish, because it was in the water in it before it came. You know what I mean? So add the onion powder. My hay fever was acting up. If you got hay fever like me, you know how it is when you're using that seasoning. Your hay fever, you just want to sneeze. Garlic, some mixed herbs, and some smoked paprika. I add a lot of smoked paprika because I feel like I can never feel it, so that's why I added bare. But then some all-purpose seasoning to finish it off, I hope. Yeah. Oh no, then I've added a bit of salt, and I've also added some pepper in the end, just to give it that normal taste, but not too much, because like I said, everything is already salty. Your food is already salty, and you don't want your friends to look at you like, oh my goodness. Yeah, we don't want that, because then you're gonna direct them to my channel and say I did that. So no. Alright, so then you just want to mix everything up. You want to be friendly to everyone. Each and every one of those shrimps are your best friend. So you just want to, or prawn, sorry, oh my lord, prawn are your best friend. So you just want to mix it up, and then it should have a beautiful color. And what you want to do is get your oil started already. So you want to turn up the pan, put a bit of oil in it, and you want to put it from medium to low. I repeat, to my black people, medium to low, not the highest one. I know you guys want to quick, not over here. Take your time. Anyways, we're throwing that in there, and you just want to mix it up. Honestly, you can leave it for 2-3 minutes, and the juice is just gonna get juicy in my soul. But I feel it. Okay, so you're just gonna keep mixing, and then you just want to leave it there, to be honest with you. And sometimes, yeah, just keep mixing. And as you can see, I have my pasta on the side that's cooking as well. Yeah, so don't forget to keep stirring your pasta, like I said, because you don't want it to stick. Just because you got oil and salt in there don't mean it's not gonna stick. All right. So like I said, the shrimp is already cooked, so I'm kind of leaving there for 2-3 minutes. And yeah, just keep mixing it till you feel like, honestly, for me, it was until I felt like the color was the kind of color that I liked, that I felt that the shrimp was, because it's already cooked, but it's just about, is it heated up throughout. And don't forget that when you add your sauce, the shrimp will still be cooking as well within the sauce. So now I can see that I'm really happy with the thing, so I'm going to add my double cream that I got from Tesco. And I think I used 2 packets just because I was cooking for a lot of people. But if you're cooking for yourself, 1 packet is honestly enough to last you 2 to 3 days. But because I'm cooking for black family, this lasted me 1 day, 1 hour in fact. So I'm just going to leave the double cream in there, and I'm going to add my second one. Just drown that in there, and as you can see, look at all that seasoning. And you just want to mix that all together, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And I don't normally taste my food, but you want to taste whether it's okay, if the sauce is alright, if it needs more, blah blah blah. I always know though, just by looking. Not gonna lie, I just know. It's probably why I can't bake, because I don't measure nothing, not a damn thing. Anyways, I need to add a bit more stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some. I don't even know what that mixed herbs. I'm gonna add some mixed herbs. I'm gonna add some paprika. And I'm also going to go ahead and add my all-purpose seasoning. There was literally nothing left in the tub. You see? What am I... Ugh. Anyways, then you just want to get your spoon and mix that all together. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Look at it. Ooh. That's like a science experiment. You know when... Yeah, no. I don't know what I'm saying. Never mind. Alright, so you just want to keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. And then you really just want it to cook. And just let that seasoning just in that heat. Don't forget to be on medium to low heat. I repeat, medium to low heat. Yes, I'm talking to you, auntie. Yes, I'm talking to you, cousin. Medium to low heat. And you just want that to stay in there, be all like fresh and nice. And then I'm just going to add a bit of cheese. So I'm adding some mature cheese that I got from Tesco. Adding that in there. Really nice, really... And then I'm also going to add some mozzarella. 10 years later, okay, finally. I'm also going to add some mozzarella, and that's just really to give it that nice rich taste that I love. So yeah, I don't know why I still haven't added it yet. Alright. I literally added a little bit. Don't be like me, don't be greedy, don't be stingy. Add that mozzarella in. So yeah, and then you just want to mix that in really, and it will make your sauce a bit thicker. But that's what we want really. That's what we want. And don't forget that your pasta is still cooking, or your pasta is still cooking. And guys, this is the easiest, quickest recipes. I promise you. This can literally take you less than 20 minutes to make. Honestly, this is and it's such a beautiful, nice, rich taste. You know what I'm saying? And it's cheap. Very cheap. The shrimp was like £2. The double cream was £2. The pasta was like 90p. The cheese, not gonna lie, I already had it in my fridge, but probably like 10p. So I drained my pasta but left some pasta water in the pan, and I'm just gonna, just in case I didn't have enough sauce. And you just want to add your pasta into the sauce. Look at that steam. You know it's gonna be good. You know it's gonna be good. Oh. Alright, so you just want to stir the pasta in there. I know you guys are probably thinking the pasta is drowning, but don't worry, I got more. You see, I got more. Yeah, you just want to make sure that your pasta is not drowning in that sauce. I could have made more pasta, I think, but it's alright. It's alright. It's fine now. It's fine. But keep adding that pasta. Keep adding that pasta. It got to. I was trying to be bougie and do it once at a time, but I got sick and tired. So I just threw that pasta in there as best as I could. And you just want to make sure you're mixing. And yeah, you just want to mix that pasta in the sauce. Make sure you don't lose the shrimps at the bottom, because a lot of the times when you add stuff like that, you can lose the meat at the bottom. So you just want to make sure that you keep stirring it proper. Look at that, guys. Tell me I'm not the best. Tell me I'm not the best. You've lost your mind if you think that, mate. Bloody hell. Look at that shrimp hanging out on the right. No, the left. Yeah, the left. So I'm just adding mixed herbs. And I'm just literally adding mixed herbs. Oh no, parsley, sorry. I'm adding some parsley. Just to be honest, just for the Instagram picture, not gonna lie. I'm adding some crushed red chilies as well. And the food is still cooking, and I've also wanted to make sure that I put the shrimps kind of at the top, just so you could see the shrimps really. And yeah, that the pasta is still cooking as well. The pasta is still cooking because it's in the sauce cooking, so it's like water cooking in the thing. But yeah, and then I'm loving it. And that is your end result. You got your creamy shrimp pasta. Tell me I'm not the best. Tell me, I dare you. Oh. If you comment that, we will beef. I'm just playing. But just look at the creamy pasta that I was able to make in under 20 minutes. So if you like that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and keep coming back for our next videos. And I also have a podcast that you can listen to on Apple Music, Spotify, and Anchor. Thank you so much, and see you next time.